Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up. So line dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to present the line dance NLX, You Better Think. The song is Think Remix. The artist is Precious Red and DJ Bird Remix. The choreography is Lisa Loves Cinnamon. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is a demo. If you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, check out the choreographer, and I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it. And there you go. That is NLX, You Better Think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Blue teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.